So today I'm going to demonstrate how you can do some baby massage. It's a really lovely thing for you to do with your baby. It helps to enhance bonding and attachment. It's really beneficial for things like colic and constipation, and can be really useful to use as part of a bedtime routine. It's really nice to spend that time with your baby, doing something that's one-to-one time with them, and having that quality time with them that you wouldn't normally spend when you're normally doing all those other things and caring for them. It's nice to have that quality one-to-one time that you get to share with them. First of all, before starting the massage, what we would say is make sure that your baby is well enough to receive the massage, which is the most important thing. Making sure that they're well in themselves. If they have got any coughs or colds and things, it might be worth waiting until they're better. Making sure that they're calm and content as well is really, really important, to make sure that they are ready to receive the massage and that they're telling you that they're happy and giving their consent to engage. Making sure that they haven't had any immunisations within the last 3 days. We would say to avoid massaging the leg area if that is the case, just to give them time to heal. Also, if they've got anything else wrong with them, if they've got any medical conditions at all, it might be worth checking it out with your GP first, just to make sure that they're happy for them to be massaged. And any skin conditions, it might be worth using some of their own creams and things to use as part of the massage, rather than the oils that we would suggest to use for baby massage. So talking a little bit about oils and creams, we would suggest using something like a cold pressed rapeseed oil or vegetable based oils, because they are best for, they're good for vitamins A, D and E, and they're really good at sort of nourishing the skin and being absorbed really easily, rather than some of the other things on the market which tend to sit on the surface of the skin and are not easily absorbed. And it just helps to have that nice glide over the skin when you're massaging deep into the tissues. It's advisable to have your baby undressed when massaging, because then you do get to have that really good sort of tissue massage into the tissues, and you get most benefits out of it that way. And it's nice to have that skin to skin touch as well, which is also really, really important to do as part of baby massage. Make sure that your environment is nice and calm. Make sure you haven't got too many distractions, and make sure that it is just that quality one-to-one time that you're having with your baby. Make sure that it's warm as well. It might be beneficial to have a nice warm blanket to lay your baby on, and maybe a blanket to wrap them up in afterwards, to make sure that their core temperature remains consistent, and also to make sure that baby is in a nice warm room as well, to make sure that they're not too cold. It might be advisable as well to make sort of dim the lights a little bit so that it's not too bright in the room, and to maybe play some nice relaxing music for your baby as well. Try and sort of create a nice ambience in the room and make it almost like a little spa experience, because it's really beneficial for you as well, and it'll help you to relax and feel calm with your baby. Also, you can pop like a muslin cloth in the corner of the room, and maybe pop a couple of drops of lavender oil or an essential oil on there, just to again create a nice sort of smell in the room and make it really, really relaxing for both of you. And that can be really nice to do, especially as part of a bedtime routine, maybe after a bath before they go to bed.